I don't know if you all know this, but we've been selling Marvin windows for almost 18 years, which is an amazing product and an amazing company to represent. But we are the only certified Marvin installing retailer in the area. So what that means to you is we have a dedicated team of installers who are W-2 employees. They work only for us. And what they do is install Marvin windows every single day, and they've been approved by Marvin to install them. They've been factory trained. Their leader has been to Marvin multiple times and knows the products and is leading them through the installations. And also we have a dedicated service technician who has been dealing with Marvin products for probably 45 years. So it's a lot of credentials behind us that got us there, and Marvin personally selected us to be that representative.